Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we'll discuss now one question where we are required to deal with unaccounted time and allocation of wages of worker over different jobs, different number of jobs. Let us read question. A worker is paid rupees 50 per hour and the 5 days working week contains 42 hours. Here they have given the rate per hour. Here they have given number of hours worked in a week, 42 hours. The daily allowance for approved absence from his place of work, maintenance of machine, etc. is 12 minutes. That means this is normal idle time, 12 minutes. And his job card shows that his time chargeable during the week to various jobs is as follows. Job number 310, 10 hours. Job number 320, 8 hours. The unaccounted time is caused by power failure. Show how his wages for the week would be dealt in cost account. Here the loss caused of time because of power failure will be treated as abnormal loss. As it is an abnormal loss, it will be charged to costing profit and loss account. Let us do workings. Total hours worked 42 hours. Rate per hour is given 50 rupees. We can thereby calculate total wages. Thus total wages are rupees 2100. Allocation of wages for cost accounting based on different jobs. Job number 305, it is 20 hours. Number of hours 20. Rate per hour is rupees 50. It will be rupees 1000. Job number 310, 10 hours. It will be rupees 500. Job number 320, 8 hours. It is rupees 400. wages for approved absence for 5 days at the rate of 12 minutes per day taken as normal idle time. 12 minutes per day, 5 days a week, 12 minutes multiplied by 5, it comes to 1 hour. 1 hour multiplied by rate 50 rupees, it comes to rupees 50. This will be treated as overage because it is accepted as what? Normal idle time. Wages for time wasted due to power failure taken as abnormal loss, that is transferred to costing profit and loss account. Total hours 42 hours. Used for job number 305 20 hours. Used for job number 310 10 hours. Used for job number 320 8 hours. Normal idle time 1 hour. If we deduct this, we get balance 3 hours. These 3 hours are wasted due to power failure. 3 hours per hour 50 rupees. So the amount is 150, which will be debited to costing profit and loss account. It comes to rupees 2100. It is equal to the amount which we have calculated as total wages payable. In this question, we have learned how to give effect to unaccounted time as abnormal loss. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.